Turning your engine, 10J543. Turning good. And the front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor look nice. Look as well on altimeter. And good compression and conditions, no damage. And on this side, everything nice. All windows looking good, no water. Gearbox look nice. Starter, no damage, no broken. Everything good. And on this side, engines look nice, as you can see. On the top, all connectors and injectors looks nice. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. And turning your engine, 10J543.